Tara Ellaradu. Welcome to Ayushri Silks, where tradition meets elegance. We are specialized in bringing in hand-picked sari with lot of love and care. ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ ಸೊ motif all over the body, and the pallu is exceptionally rich. Then we have a soft silk sari which has a border on both the sides and it has beautiful motif. And then we also have a beautiful pallu for this. Then we have another soft silk which has amazing line, turning lines on the body, and it has a beautiful small border with lamp shade design in the border. Then we'll go for another soft silk which is very rare to find. This is also called slub design, slub material, and the sari goes like this. It has an amazing medium border and a heavy pallu, and the contrast of this sari is too beautiful, and it has buttas all over. Now you are going to see more of a tissue saris. In tissue we have almost around 5 varieties and also in different ranges. So this is a tissue sari which is completely power loom sari, and this is how the sari goes. It comes in 3 shades. The pallu is 1 shade, the body is 1 shade, and the border is a little contrast on the pallu side. Then we have the gold tissue which is mostly in trend, and we have different colors in gold tissue. The body remains gold but the border comes with different shade, that is lavender, maroon and purple, and also in green. Then we have another tissue. This is a beautiful work of the tissue sari where you will see the border is medium and it has an amazing design which is completely handloom, and this has the elephant design, and you have a beautiful Jaipur work on this. Next we are going to talk about the silk saris. In silk saris again we have various types of silk saris and with medium and big borders. So now I'm going to show you the medium border silk sari, and it is a traditional silk sari that you will see with amazing pallu and a beautiful border, and the blouse is also comes in a contrast of the pallu, and it has motif all over the body. Next sari I will show you, and we have different shades in this, and this is a grey shade which is very rare, and our collections are very unique because we handpick the saris. So you will find beautiful shade of saris. This is grey with bottle green, and it has motifs as well as a small checks line all over the body. Then we have the turning border which is again in trend. This is a turning border sari. It's a silk sari again, and this is how the sari goes, and it has a beautiful different designer motif all over the body. Next sari is a semi silk. This is a power loom sari, and this comes with an amazing heavy lines on the sari, and the pallu has a katti pallu, and it also has motifs all over the body. And we have different colors in all the saris that you have been looking at, and it is very lightweight and easy to wear, and it is very soft as well. Next you are going to see a soft silk again. This is ikat design sari. So this is completely, it has 3 set where this is the border, this is the center of the sari, and this is on the top, and it has a ikat print, and the pallu is a contrast pallu with the same color blouse. This is another soft silk sari. Again the sari is very light and easy to wear. Next sari you are seeing is, this is Arni silk sari. This has no contrast. This is Arni pattu you call it. So this is beautiful and a very single color sari, but we have in different colors, but it doesn't have a border or anything, but it has a running blouse. Next we are going to see another amazing sari which is a handloom sari. It has a complete handloom work. It has a ikat print on the body, and look at the jari. This is Kanchi jari, so it's a mixed combination of ikat print and the kanchi jari in this. So this is so good for any great grand occasions, and the sari is so light that you can easily drape it even for summer, or even for hot season. This is an amazing sari to carry on with. Next I'm going to start on the bridal side, and these are all heavy saris that you're going to see. This is again a tissue. This is from the bridal collection that you are seeing now. This has a beautiful parrot design and a medium border. It also has a gap border or a Bentix border, what you call it, and the top has a small border, so it doesn't elevate, but it doesn't look fat on this tummy. I think most of us have that problem, right? So next you're seeing another